Hello there, welcome to Genesis Models. My name is Bob Waldron and welcome to the Battle of Britain group build announcement, where we're going to announce all our winners for the last group build that happened in 2020, the second half, and it was all about the Battle of Britain, which, as you know, is all about the RAF fighting off the Luftwaffe to prevent a big invasion of the UK. It was a nice group build. We have quite a few options, a nice sort of scenario in which to sort of build around. We could have, obviously there's Spitfires and BF 109s, but there was loads of other stuff that could have been built. I did see quite a few Spitfires and 109s and stuff, but as always, you know, I've got to pick a winner, and it's always a tough one to do. We got trophies and prizes and stickers for everybody, which, by the way, we have these stickers just here, which for anybody who entered and finished, you know, all you got to do is give me a PM or an email with your mailing address, and I'll just ship these out to you free of charge. It's just some little stickers just for everybody, in which you can just sort of build up your stickers of all the GBs that you've done over Genesis Models, and sort of build up a bit of a collection, so to speak, as well as if you get the trophies and stuff. Should look quite cool. But first off, let's actually take a look at everybody's work, and, you know, kind of let's have a look and see who you think might win. So there is all the fantastic work. As you can see, it's really hard to actually pick and choose who's going to be the winner. With this one, I think we've got a clear winner, a clear Top Gun first place, but for second and third was really tough. There was quite a few up there which I really had to look closely and sort of get our second and third winners. As I say, we've got these lovely trophies, the other two are in the box here, which will be going out to the winners. You know, if you do win, all you got to do is, you know, give me a email, a PM, let me know what kit you want out of the store for me to send to you, as well as your mailing address, and I'll send out all your prizes and everything, which should be cool, nice, easy and free of charge. So let's get over to the forum and let's pick our winners. And here we are on the forum, and as you can see, our third place winner is Remy. So congratulations to you, Remy. You are the winner. You did a Airfix 1/72nd scale of a Spitfire, and as you can see from the pictures and the images here, we've got a really nice 1/70 scale Spitfire. It's nicely got one of those acrylic rods with a really cool diorama of the White Cliffs of Dover, and if you look sort of closely, you know, it is looking like a well sprayed and weathered Spitfire, which what you've also got to remember is it is 1/72nd scale, so you know it is hard in these scales to kind of make something look good. So congratulations to you, Remy. You are the winner, and you will win you're going to win it's £20 off any single kit in store, or if you are a premium member, you do get £40 for any single kit in store, which then brings us to second place. Second place was, as I say, was really close with Remy, but I did in the end have to go with Phil. Phil did a 1/32nd scale, what was it, a Revell 1/32nd scale Supermarine Spitfire Mark IIA, and as you can see from the pictures, we've got some nice sort of black and white pictures just to kind of, you know, set the scene nicely. But what we do have is a really well sort of very neat, clean and tidy Spitfire, and nicely weathered up as well. And if we sort of go down, as you can see, underside looks really nicely weathered, real nice dirt and grime, but also the cockpit does look really cool. We've got some nice imagery in there, really sort of showing off the cockpit and the seat belts and all that good stuff. As you can see, instrument display panels and dials looking really realistic, a really well done cockpit. And for second place, you will be winning, it's either £30 in store for any single kit, or if you are a premium member, that does go up to £60. So hopefully you're all premium members and you get a nice kit in the Genesis model store, which then brings us to our Top Gun, our winner, which really, I mean, if you looked at these final reveal photos, I think we can all agree that our winner was you know, an easy winner really. So Bill Buck, you are our winner. You did a, what was it, a Messerschmitt Bf 109 E3. The manufacturer was, where is it, sorry, I'm just trying to find it. It was the Edard, and that's in 1/48 scale. So Edard, really nice kit they have there of the BF 109. And if we move down, this is where you can see it's a clear winner. Absolutely stunning diorama, where they've got the engine cowl off and everything. They're working on the engine, the whole diorama as well. We got figures in here, the whole sandbags, grass, wooden floors, you know, the winch and everything to get the engine out. Absolutely stunning. Loads and loads of detail, loads of aspects of modeling and skill going on, all sorts of weathering, you know, you name it, it is absolutely all here and looking absolutely stunning, and definitely worth the Top Gun price here at Genesis Models for the Battle of Britain group build. And as the winner, you will be getting £50 off any one kit in store, or if you are a premium member, you do get £80 off any kit in store. So nice big prize there if you're a premium member. Again, everyone gets everyone who's won gets a trophy, and everybody who has participated gets a sticker. Just give me your emails and PMs and stuff with your mailing addresses, and I'll get all this stuff shipped out to you all free of charge. And as you can see, these pictures go on and on, loads and loads of details. Definitely well worth winning this Battle of Britain group build. Now just remember, there is another group build that has started, which is the Blitz group build. Started the first half of 2021. You know, plenty of time to get in there, get started, and potentially be a winner. You know, again, we've got all the same kind of prizes going on, and trophies and stickers and everything for everyone for that group build. So love to see you all in there. But apart from that, hopefully you have enjoyed. Hopefully you've enjoyed building this, or hopefully you've enjoyed sort of watching along and watch people build, and hopefully you'll be getting in on the next group build. But as always, until next time, my name's Bobby Waldron, this is Genesis Models, and I hope you've enjoyed.